Okay, grab a front of a drawer like this and place it with this, like that. From the box tree, take two laterals, so one backside and two laterals, one and two, and place them like this, one and two. Okay, just like that. Now grab four of these, and put them in the smaller holes like that, and screw them. One, two. Now grab four of these, put two here, one, two, and the other two here. Okay. Then grab the sides and take in mind that the big holes are facing the outside, and put them in place like you're seeing here. This is the second side, and then insert the white connections and just screw them in place until you see the arrow pointing up. Then install the bottom of the drawer like you're seeing here. You have to put the back of the drawer in the back slit, and then just slide the back into place, and after that it should look like this. Then just insert these plastic transparent screws, put them in place with your hand, and to put them all the way down, just hammer them with a hammer until you stop seeing them. And while you're doing this, just hold both pieces in place to avoid getting your wood damaged. Then turn the drawer over with the bottom part pointing to the ceiling. Then grab two screws like this and this metal piece, and start screwing the first screw, and then add the metal piece and screw the other one like you're seeing, and yeah, make sure it's safe. Then grab the sliders with the wheels pointing you and screw 3 screws in each side. Flip the drawer over again and just install the handle with these 2 screws from inside out, and just put them in place nice and tight. Okay, so it's all done. After a day building this, I finally finished, and the drawers are done as well. So now I just need to put them in place, and then the mattress on top to see how it looks. So let's put them in place here. One, they're very big, very large, and heavy as well. Okay, done. Okay, so I'm gonna put both mattresses because we don't have space for this one or bed. So the bed will be very high, and that's a good thing in my opinion. So this is the first one, and now I grab the other one. Okay, so this one is unbelievably heavy with all the sheets, but I don't have time to take them out, so I just grabbed all of them and put them like this, and I'll make the bed after. So yeah, I think it's enough for now. So I hope you enjoyed the video. It took me a day to build this bed, obviously most of the time because I'm filming what I'm doing, and I had some things that I had to do and deal with, like the battery from the screwdriver, the storage for the iPhone, because I have an iPhone only with 64 gigabytes and it's not enough for this kind of job. And well, I hope you appreciate it, And if the video was useful in any way, please leave your like and comment below what you think about the BRIMNES bed from IKEA. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.